Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn difference between aromatic compounds, anti-aromatic compounds, pseudo-aromatic compounds and non-aromatic compounds. The difference between them, it is very important while studying aromaticity of organic compounds. Cyclic or closed chain compounds containing double bond are cyclic unsaturated compounds, and these cyclic unsaturated compounds are of following types. One is aromatic compounds, then second anti-aromatic compounds, then third pseudo-aromatic compound, and fourth is non-aromatic compounds. We are going to study what is the difference between these type of compounds. First we see aromatic compounds. The compounds which obey Huckel's rule of aromaticity are aromatic in nature. In earlier days, the compounds which have pleasant aroma, that compounds are considered as aromatic compounds. But according to modern theory of aromaticity, compounds which obey Huckel's rule of aromaticity are considered as aromatic compounds. Then we see what is Huckel's rule. Cyclic planar conjugated system having 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Such system is considered as aromatic in nature. In that case, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That is, n is any integer. The another thing is that pi electron cloud should be delocalized. That is, there should be delocalization of pi electrons. This pi electron, due to delocalization, there is a pi electron cloud above and below plane of the ring. And all these terms are, this compound must be cyclic in nature, planar, that is, all the atoms in the ring must be in sp2 hybridization state. The conjugation means there should be alternate double and single bond, and that system must contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Then that system is aromatic in nature. And in case of aromatic compounds, cyclic system is more stable than corresponding acyclic system. For example, benzene is more stable than its corresponding open chain compound 1,3,5-hexatriene. For example, benzene, in case of benzene, there are 3 pi bonds, and as there are 3 pi bonds, there are 6 pi electrons. One bond is made up of 2 electrons. Therefore, there are 6 pi electrons. And that 6 pi electrons fits in the formula of 4n plus 2 pi. In that case, when n is equal to 1, then 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. That is, 6 number fits in the formula of 4n plus 2. Therefore, benzene is aromatic compound and it is a stable compound. That is, benzene satisfies all the conditions of aromaticity. That is, it is cyclic in nature, it is a planar system, that is, all the carbon atoms in the ring are in sp2 hybridization state, and there is a conjugated system, alternate double and single bond, and it contains 4n plus 2 pi electrons. When n is equal to 1, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6, and benzene contains 6 pi electrons. Therefore, benzene is aromatic and it is more stable compound. Its corresponding acyclic system is 1,3,5-hexatriene. That compound also contains 6 pi electrons, but it is less stable than benzene. Thus, in case of aromatic compounds, cyclic planar conjugated system having 4n plus 2 pi electron is aromatic in nature. Then aromatic compounds are of two types. One is benzenoid aromatic compound and another is non-benchenoid aromatic compound. Let us see benchenoid aromatic compound. The benchenoid aromatic compound, that compounds which contain one or more benchene rings. Such compounds are known as benchenoid aromatic compounds. For example, naphthalene. In case of naphthalene, this is a fused polycyclic compound, and in that case there are 10 pi electrons. There are 5 pi bonds, therefore there are 10 pi electrons, and that 10 pi electrons fits in the formula of 4n plus 2. When n is equal to 2, 4n plus 2 is equal to 10, and naphthalene contains 10 pi electrons, therefore naphthalene is aromatic, and as it contains benzene ring, it is benchenoid aromatic compound. This is anthracene. In case of anthracene also, there are 7 pi bonds, that is there are 14 pi electrons, and when n is equal to 3, 4n plus 2 is equal to 14. Anthracene also contains 14 pi electrons, therefore it is aromatic in nature. Then phenanthrene. In case of phenanthrene, there are 14 pi electrons, and when n is equal to 3, 4n plus 2 is equal to 14. Phenanthrene contains 14 pi electrons, therefore it is aromatic compound. Thus, compound which contain benzene ring are benchenoid aromatic compounds, and they obey Huckel's rule of aromaticity. Then non-benchenoid aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds which not contain benzene ring but obey Huckel's rule of aromaticity are known as non-benchenoid aromatic compounds. For example, cyclopropenyl cation. The molecular formula of this compound is C3H3, and in that case there is a positive charge on this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is in sp2 hybridization state. There is a carbon and one hydrogen, therefore it is in sp2 hybridization state, and in case of cyclopropenyl cation there is a 1 pi bond, that is there are 2 pi electrons, and when n is equal to 0, 4n plus 2 is equal to 2, and it fits in the formula of Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons, therefore cyclopropenyl cation is aromatic compound. But this compound not contains benzene ring, but it is aromatic in nature, hence it is a non-benchenoid aromatic compound. Then next example is cyclopentadienyl anion. In that case, there are 6 pi electrons, 4 from that 2 double bonds, and one pair is from negative charge. Thus there are total 6 pi electrons, and when n is equal to 1, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. That is, this compound fits in the formula of Huckel's rule. Therefore, cyclopentadienyl anion is aromatic in nature. Its molecular formula is C5H5, and this carbon atom is in sp2 hybridization state. Then next example is cycloheptatrienyl cation. That ion is also known as tropylium cation. In that case also, it is a cyclic planar conjugated system. That carbon is in sp2 hybridization state, and that system contains 6 pi electrons. When n is equal to 1, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, as it obeys Huckel's rule, that cation is aromatic in nature, but it is a non-benchenoid aromatic compound. This is 14-annuline. The annuline means the cyclic conjugated system which contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons. That system is aromatic system. The annulines are cyclic conjugated systems. This is 14-annuline, that is the ring is made up of 14 carbon atoms, and that ring contains 14 pi electrons, and it fits in the formula of Huckel's rule. When n is equal to 3, 4n plus 2 is equal to 14, and this is aromatic compound. But its aromaticity is disturbed due to that inner hydrogen atoms. But we are going to learn the difference between aromatic, non-aromatic, etc. Therefore, only remember that this compound is non-benzenoid aromatic compound, but it is a not stable compound. Then next compound is 18-aniline. In that case, the ring is made up of 18 carbon atoms and there is a cyclic conjugated system and the ring is planar due to sp2 hybridization of carbon atoms and there is no any type of strain, and that ring is planar. It obeys Huckel's rule. It contains 18 pi electrons, and in the formula when n is equal to 4, 4n plus 2 is equal to 18, and the compound also contains 18 pi electrons. Therefore 18-aniline is aromatic compound. The next one is azulene. In case of azulene, there are 5 pi bonds, that is there are 10 pi electrons, and when n is equal to 2, 4n plus 2 is equal to 10, and as it obeys Huckel's rule of aromaticity, this compound is aromatic compound. All these compounds are non-benzenoid aromatic compounds as they not contain benzene ring but show aromatic character. They obey Huckel's rule. Therefore, they are non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. Then we see another class of aromatic compounds, that is heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are aromatic in nature. For example, pyrrole. It is a 5-membered heterocyclic ring containing nitrogen and it obeys Huckel's rule of aromaticity. All the atoms in the ring, that is both carbon and nitrogen, are in sp2 hybridization state. Therefore, the ring is planar and there are 6 pi electrons. They are counted like this. There are 2 pi bonds, carbon-carbon double bond. There are 4 pi electrons from carbon double bond carbon, and this lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, it is present in p atomic orbital. And remember that electrons present in p atomic orbital are known as pi electrons, and thus in case of pyrrole there are 6 pi electrons, and these 6 pi electrons are delocalized and forms pi electron cloud, and hence when Vn is equal to 1, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6, therefore pyrrole is aromatic compound. This is furan. In case of furan also, it is a 5-membered heterocyclic ring containing oxygen, and oxygen and carbon atoms are in sp2 hybridization state, therefore ring is planar. But there are 2 lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom, and out of that 2 pair of electrons, one pair is present in p atomic orbital and another pair is present in sp2 hybrid orbital, and the electrons which are present in p atomic orbital are considered as pi electrons, and that electrons are not considered as pi electrons as they are present in hybrid orbital. Thus, in case of furan, there are 6 pi electrons, 4 from carbon double bond carbon and one pair is on oxygen atom. Thus, furan contains 6 pi electrons. It obeys Huckel's rule. When n is equal to 1, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Furan also contains 6 pi electrons, therefore it is aromatic. This is pyridine. In case of pyridine, there are 6 pi electrons. In that case, this lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, it is not considered as pi electron because this lone pair of electron is present in sp2 hybrid orbital, and as it is present in sp2 hybrid orbital, it is not considered as pi electrons. Therefore, there are 6 pi electrons from carbon-carbon double bond, and it obeys Huckel's rule of aromaticity. Therefore, pyridine is aromatic compound. The next example is thiophene. In case of thiophene, similar to furan, there are two lone pair of electrons on sulfur atom, but out of that one is present in p atomic orbital, which is considered as pi electrons, and another pair is present in sp2 hybrid orbital. It is not considered as pi electrons. Thus, in case of thiophene also, there are 6 pi electrons, and when n is equal to 1, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6, and as it obeys Huckel's rule of aromaticity, thiophene is aromatic compounds. Thus, heterocyclic compounds are aromatic compounds. Then we step forward to anti-aromatic compounds. Cyclic planar conjugated system having 4n pi electrons. That system is anti-aromatic in nature. In that case, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That is, n is any integer. In that case, cyclic system is less stable than corresponding acyclic system. For example, cyclobutadiene, it is less stable compound than 1,3-butadiene. This is cyclobutadiene, the 4-membered carbocyclic ring, and there are 2 double bonds, therefore it is a cyclobutadiene. There are 2 double bonds, that is there are 4 pi electrons. And cyclobutadiene, it is a cyclic planar conjugated system, but it not contains 4n plus 2 pi electrons, and it contains 4n pi electrons. When n is equal to 1, 4n is equal to 4, and cyclobutadiene, it is not a aromatic compound, but it is a anti-aromatic compound. According to definition, cyclic planar conjugated system having 4n pi electrons. That is, the condition is that cyclic planar, that is sp2 hybridization, then there is a conjugated system and there are 4n pi electrons. But that systems are less stable than corresponding acyclic system. For cyclobutadiene, the corresponding open chain compound is 1,3-butadiene. In that case also there are 4 pi electrons, and 1,3-butadiene is more stable than cyclobutadiene. And such type of compounds are known as anti-aromatic compounds. This is cyclopropenyl anion. In that case, all carbon atoms are in sp2 hybridization state. There is a conjugation, but there are 4 pi electrons, that is 4n pi electrons, and therefore that compound is anti-aromatic compound. In case of cyclopentadienyl cation, there are 4 pi electrons. This is cyclic planar conjugated system. It contains 4 pi electrons, therefore it is anti-aromatic compound. Then next one is cycloheptatrienyl anion. In that case there are 8 pi electrons. Therefore it is anti-aromatic compounds. Thus these compounds not obey Huckel's rule, but they obey the condition of anti-aromatic compound. Then we see non-aromatic compounds. Cyclic unsaturated system in which double bonds are not in conjugation and the ring is not planar, such compounds are considered as non-aromatic compounds. That is, system is unsaturated, but double bonds are not in conjugation. In that case, cyclic system and acyclic system have similar stability. This is cyclopropene, and in case of cyclopropene, all the carbon atoms are not in sp2 hybridization state. This carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization state, and we know that for sp3 hybridization the shape of the molecule is tetrahedral, and as that carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization state, the ring is not planar, therefore cyclopropene is non-aromatic compound, and also there is no conjugation. The next compound is cyclopentadiene. In that case also these four carbon atoms are in sp2 hybridization state, but this carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization state, and the conjugation is also disturbed. The double bonds from that side, they are not conjugated. Therefore cyclopentadiene compound is non-aromatic compound. 1,3-cyclohexadiene. In that case also these two carbon atoms are in sp3 hybridization state. Although that compound is cyclic unsaturated, the ring is not planar, and also double bonds are not in conjugation. Therefore 1,3-cyclohexadiene is non-aromatic compound. Similarly 1,3,5-cycloheptatriene is also non-aromatic compound because this carbon atom is in sp3 hybridization state, the ring is not planar. The next type is pseudo-aromatic compounds. In case of pseudo-aromatic compounds, the system is cyclic conjugated system having 4n pi electrons, but the ring is not planar, is known as pseudo-aromatic compound. There is a difference between anti-aromatic and pseudo-aromatic compound. In case of anti-aromatic compound, the system is cyclic planar conjugated, but in case of pseudo-aromatic compound, the system is cyclic conjugated, but the ring is not planar, although it contains 4n pi electrons. Such type of compounds are known as pseudo-aromatic compounds. For example, cyclooctatetraene. In case of cyclooctatetraene, it is a cyclic system, it is a conjugated system, it contains 4n pi electrons, that is 8 pi electrons, but the ring is not planar, it has a tub-shaped molecule. Therefore, cyclooctatetraene, it is considered as pseudo-aromatic compound. Then next is pentylene. In case of pentylene, there are 8 pi electrons, but the ring is not planar. Although system is cyclic and conjugated, the ring is not planar, it contains 4n pi electrons. Therefore, pentylene is pseudo-aromatic compound. Similarly, heptylene, it contains 12 pi electrons, a ring is not planar, and it is pseudo-aromatic compounds. Summarize all these things. Aromatic compounds, cyclic planar conjugated system having 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Anti-aromatic compounds, cyclic planar conjugated system having 4n pi electrons. Non-aromatic compounds, cyclic unsaturated system in which double bonds are not in conjugation and the ring is not planar. And pseudo-aromatic compounds, cyclic conjugated system having 4n pi electrons but ring is not planar. This is the difference between aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic and pseudo-aromatic compound. That is, all cyclic unsaturated compounds are not aromatic and they are divided into these four groups. In some cases, that pseudo-aromatic compound may be considered as non-aromatic compounds.